Yeah, what happened, nini ilihuyu mwanafunzi, and what have you. Baba, we request you to talk about insecurities in our institutions and to tell the government, because you are our president, by the way. Baba, you are my president, and you are our president here. Comrades power, comrades ria, comrades wisdom. Baba, you are our president. We are requesting you to command the government institutions which are dealing with security matters, that is Interior Ministry, to ensure that comrades are safe, and if we are not safe, they are also not safe. And again, when comrades are going to demonstrate, when they are going to practice their right, please, we are requesting the government of Kenya, the police, not to fight with comrades. In fact, when we go to demonstration, we go peacefully. If police decide us to fight with them, we fight with them. Wakiturushia teargas, tunawarushia mawe na tuogopi, sawa sawa. Bakini salama.
Thank you so much, Mugambi. A short man is not a? Short man is not a? Thank you so much. Let me call the last speaker from this end. The chairman of Maseno University, Elisha Oyugi. Please step forward, Elisha, so that you can talk to the comrades. Comrades power. Comrades ria.
Yeah, thank you very much, Fred Makajos. His Excellency, Honorable